In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Penhaligons discount promo codes in 2025. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser, and right here you'll have to search for Penhaligons discount promo code. Right here, go to this website which is called Coupon Follow. And as you can see right here, we have a list with some promo codes that you can use in order to get some discounts. So let's say, for example, that you want to get this one with a 10% discount of your first order. All you need to do is just select the button where it says show coupon code. And this is the promo code right here. You can copy this one from this button, and you can apply the promo code on your first order so that you can get a 10% discount. Also, going back to the main search right here, we have this website which is called Hot UK Deals. And as you can see right here, we have listed other promo codes that we can use to get some benefits. So let's say, for example, that you want to get this one with a 10% discount. Simply select this button right here where it says see code. And this is the promo code right here. You can tap on this button to copy the promo code, and you can apply this one on your next order to get a 10% discount. So this is pretty much all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.